As a local business owner, there's no doubt you've been hearing all the hype about AI. You may have even tried some AI tools only to find that they were a waste of time and probably a waste of money too. Well, in today's video, I'm going to share with you some AI tools that actually work, but specifically, they're working wonders for small local businesses just like yours. Let's get into it. Next, let's talk about another big problem that a lot of local businesses have that an AI solution can solve, and that is a website that does not convert. Let's face it, as local business owners, we wear a lot of hats, and one of those hats for a lot of us was building our own website. Now, not only did we build it as a non website building professional, but we may have even built it a year ago, 5 years ago, 10 years ago, so that we have something up, some sort of online presence. But not only is it old and outdated, chances are we had no idea about search engine optimization. We didn't know what it meant to build a website for conversion. And we certainly didn't know how to optimize a website for mobile because we had no clue that 60+% of all website traffic would eventually come from a cell phone. Let me jump at the screen share one more time and show you what a website looks like without this AI solution and why it would be difficult to convert, and then how we can make one simple modification that could change the game, not only for this simple website, but probably for your website too. Let's get into it. Now, inside of our AI Leads Web system, we have thousands of website templates because we are a full service marketing agency and we do build websites, but we like to build them from templates so we can get your website up extremely fast. But we then integrate it with this one AI powered solution to turn it from a basic website into a lead generating machine. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to pick one of these templates and we're going to run with it. And I'm going to show you what I mean. All right, so here we are with one of our website templates. And as you can see, it is beautifully designed. But more importantly, it is not only designed to look good, we make sure that all of our websites are optimized for three things. It has to be optimized for search so people can find it. It has to also be optimized for conversion. We want to turn website visitors into leads and ultimately leads into paying customers or at least booked appointments. And then, of course, it's got to be optimized for mobile. So what I'm going to do is just share with you really quickly before we get into the AI solution. As you see above the fold, there is an opportunity for people to submit their name and email address, right? By becoming a member. If we scroll down on this website, you'll notice there are multiple opt-in options and buttons to collect a name and email address, again, turning website traffic into leads. So it's optimized for conversion. If I had my phone, I would show you that it's also optimized and it looks extremely good on mobile as well. But the one thing that will make this website better is if we added a modification that we call our AI chatbot. So I'm gonna hop back into the inside of our Leads web system and simply add a website chat widget. Next, I'm gonna click on settings. Right here on our website, it says there are no chat widget. It says none. I'm gonna click here and I'm gonna add the default chat widget. Then I'm gonna hit save. Now, as I go back to the website preview, if I refresh the page, you'll see that now this same website has a website chat widget that's going to pop up down here in the lower right side of the screen. Amazing, right? Now, I know what you're thinking. Cortez, my website does have a chat widget. Now, there's a difference between a chat widget and an AI-powered chat widget, and I'm going to show you the difference here in a second. So if you do have a chat widget on your website, congratulations. That is a step in the right direction. It lets customers send you messages instead of leaving your site, and that does at least capture the lead. But These chats often go to an email inbox, leading to slow response times and lost opportunities. It's better than nothing, but still relies on a human to follow up after the visitor has already gone. Enter an AI powered chat widget. When I tell y'all this is a game changer for local businesses, this is not hyperbole, right? AI chatbots engage visitors instantly, answers questions, qualifies leads, and can even book appointments in real time. They work 24/7, so no lead ever gets ignored or lost due to slow response. AI can personalize conversations, recommending services based on what the customer's needs are, just like a real salesperson. And they automate follow-up, sending SMS and emails to keep leads engaged until they convert. So at the end of the day, it's not about having a chat widget, it's about having the right chat widget on your site. So let me show you how this works. In our AI Leads Web system, all we got to do is come over here and hit this little button that says Conversation AI. What that's going to do is turn our average website chatbot into a supercharged lead converting machine. As you'll note, when I come into the settings, I have a few options that I can choose from. I could have it off, which in most cases is off by default. I can turn it on suggested, or I can put it on autopilot. Then I can decide which channels do I want this AI power to be displayed on. I want the AI power to happen on SMS, Instagram, Facebook, Google My Business, and live chat. That's right. Anywhere someone messages me across the internet through any of these channels, this chatbot kicks in and has a conversation with them in real time. But I know what you're probably thinking, Cortez. How does the AI chatbot know what to say? Well, I'm glad you asked, because this is my actual live account, and I need to update my chatbot on our brand new AI suite of tools and services. So I'm going to switch from settings to bot training. Because my website has been updated with the new services, all I have to do is come over to my website and copy the URL. Then we simply come in here and paste the link to my website URL and hit get data. And right now, this system is reading my entire website, including all the new products and services and offers, so that it knows how to respond to any questions based on the new products and services. Now, after it gets all of the data inputted into the system, we can come over here and we can test the data by sending it a message. I'm going to say, what is AI Leads Web? And then we hit send. It should be trained on the new product and system. AI Leads Web automates lead capture, nurturing, and conversion. It handles calls, messages, follow-ups, and bookings on autopilot, acting like a full-time sales and customer service team. That's exactly what AI Leads Web is. Now, every business has those one-off questions that they get frequently, and sometimes they never make it to the website. That's why if I scroll down, you'll see that I also have the ability to add in custom questions, and then I could input the answer to that question and train the chatbot manually as well. The last thing we're going to do with our AI chatbot to make sure it is supercharged for conversion is we're going to set the actual intent. So we have 4 intents. The intent could be to book an appointment. It could be to trigger a workflow, which in our world, that is an automation, a sequence of events that happen once the conversation ends. You can add contact info into the CRM if they're an existing contact. The system will recognize that based on the inputted data. And of course, you can stop the bot. In my case, I have my intent set for booking an appointment. Now, let's go to my website and let's check it out in real time. So I'm on my website. I'm just going to come here and ask, who is AI Leads Web for? And we're just going to send that question. And because I have mine set up for live chat, you can see it says, give us a minute to assign you the best person to help you out. Again, we're simulating real-time customer service, but while it's waiting, it's keeping the customer or the prospect from going to someone else's site trying to find something similar. Now, I'm glad we are doing this because I just realized I had my bot chat set for a 2-minute delay, and that is way too long. So I changed it to 30 seconds. But after 2 minutes, our chatbot came back and said, AI Leads Web is for any business that relies on leads, appointments, and repeat customers. That's awesome. Sounds like me. Because I have intent set to book appointments, let's see if it's going to progress to the stage where it offers an opportunity for me to book a demo. Boom, there you have the response. Great. That's great to hear. Interested in booking a meeting to discuss more? I'm going to say yes. And basically what it's going to do at this point is then going to send me a calendar booking link for me to book my own appointment. There is an option and a functionality to have the actual chatbot to book the appointment as well. And there it is. Awesome. You can book your appointment using this link. Looking forward to it. So that was just one of the many AI-powered functionalities that the AI Leads Web includes. And it's all about capturing more leads, converting more leads into customers, and then caring for and nurturing those leads to become brand ambassadors, giving us reviews, giving us referrals, and of course, sharing their testimonials with others. Hopefully you found value in this. And again, if you want a 2-month free trial of the AI Leads Web, then all you got to do is like the video, share it with a friend, and comment free trial. And I'll make sure that you get our special invitation link to go check out the website and all that we have to offer here at Local Biz Marketers. Hope to see you on the next video real soon. According to YouTube's algorithm, this video might make sense for you to watch next. And if you have not already subscribed to the channel so you can get more tips and strategies on how to dominate as a local business, make sure you click on the smiley face to hit that subscribe. And I hope to see you in the next video. Peace.